Hello everyone, welcome to Soulful Lifestyle. This is your host and chef Kranti Talwar. We are reached the most beautiful time of the year, which is the Christmas. It's the most hopeful time and everyone loves to celebrate this by making various Christmas treats. So today, to celebrate this occasion, we are going to make a chocolate truffle snowman. Now, who doesn't like to see a snowman on Christmas? And I believe that chocolate truffles are the most overrated versions of chocolate desserts for no reason. They are so easy to fix. Whichever version of the chocolate truffle it is, whether it is caramel, dark chocolate, white chocolate. The one that I'm showing you today is a chocolate, white chocolate and coconut chocolate truffle, which is extremely simple to fix. It is kind of semi-sweet because I love to have sweets which are not extremely sweet. At the same time, it satisfies your sweet tooth. So I hope you're going to enjoy this. Please don't forget to leave your valuable comments on my YouTube comment section. Like this video if you like the recipe, and kindly ring the bell button so that you get the latest updates of my channel. Thank you so much everyone for watching this, and wish you all a very Merry Christmas in advance. So let's do this.
For this recipe, we'll need 200 grams of white chocolate, half a cup each of melted butter and condensed milk, 1.5 cups of dry coconut powder, 1 tablespoon of Cudpahnuts or charoli or chironji. Cudpahnuts or chironji are taken for decoration purposes. You may use smaller candies if you have them. For the snowman's muffler, I've used candied fruit bells. You may also use fondant icing or chocolate ganache for the decorations. Melt the white chocolate in the microwave for about a minute. To this, add melted butter and some condensed milk and mix it to form a homogeneous mixture. You may also use a double boiler method to melt your white chocolate. To this mixture, add in a pinch of salt along with the dry coconut powder and mix it well. Post mixing this, refrigerate this mixture for at least about half an hour so that you can shape them into truffle-sized balls. Post refrigeration, the truffle mixture sets up into a hard mass and it becomes easy to mold them into truffle-sized balls like so. I am making 3 different sizes of truffle balls in order to shape them into a snowman. Now roll the truffle balls into the dry coconut powder. In order to stick the truffles over each other, you may use melted white chocolate or dark chocolate like so. In order to make the snowman's eyes and the buttons, I am using chocolate coated Cudpahnuts or chironji like so, but you may also use smaller candies if you have and stick melted chocolate. To make the snowman's muffler, I am using strips of candied fruit bells like so, but you may also use fondant icing or even chocolate ganache. If you don't want to shape them as snowmen, you can just shape them as regular truffles and enjoy them as is. You may use some melted chocolate to stick the ends of the candied belts. And your chocolate truffle snowman is now ready. Merry Christmas to you all.